What's up guys, so today we're gonna make some fried chicken. So we're gonna the choice we're using today is drumsticks. Okay, so first thing we normally want to do is wash our chicken. That's a must. So you can wash your chicken with lemon or vinegar, but I'm using lemon at the moment just to remove the rawness. Okay, so now it's time for us to do the seasoning bit now. So what I got here is some hot and spicy seasoning, chicken season from Jamaica, and I'm gonna use some tandoori masala as well, just to give it a bit of color and a different flavor. Bit of black pepper and orange season as well. That's from Jamaica. So you can use whatever chicken seasoning you want, up to your preference. Okay, guys. So now I'm just gonna season my chicken. So you can season your chicken accordingly to all you need it to your flavor. But if you can realize, I'm not using any salt, just the normal chicken seasoning I showed you a while ago. Bit of hot and spicy as well. You know what I mean? Mix it with different type of seasoning. All right. So now we're just gonna rub it in, rub the chicken in, rub it in thoroughly, so the season go all over the drumsticks and it's all even. All right. So look at it now. That's how it is. Yeah. All ready and prep, ready to marinate now. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna leave this to marinate for maybe an hour or something like that. You can leave it to marinate overnight if you feel like you want to. It's up to you. All right. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna season the flour as well. So when you season the flour, what I normally do as well, I normally put a lot of seasoning in my flour as well, because once you bite in the chicken, you bite through the flour first anyway. Yeah, and that's gonna make the nice crust on the chicken. So you got to be full of flavor. That's why I love my crust to have a lot of flavor. So I normally put a little bit extra chicken seasoning anyway. So as you're gonna see soon, I'm gonna add 2 mugga cubes. That's right, because them mugga cubes give you a wicked flavor. So that's why I'm gonna use them in the flour as well, alongside the normal chicken season. I use to season the chicken as well. So yeah. So the 2 mugga cubes, they just give you a different flavor in the crust. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead now, mix everything evenly. Okay. So now we got everything all prepped, guys. So we're gonna baste the chicken inside the egg mix with a bit of milk. Yeah. Now we're gonna baste the chicken with the coating now. After we coat all the chicken, shake it up, make sure it's all even. We're gonna put all the chicken into the fryer now. So now it's all coated properly. Now it's time to load them up in the fryer. So yeah, sometimes I use the deep fryer and sometimes I use the frying pan. Well, today I'm just using the deep fryer, which because I find it fast and easier. You know what I mean? With the frying pan, you got to turn it and you don't really get to manage the temperature like that. But with the deep fryer now, I just set it at 170 degrees Celsius, and then for half an hour, leave it there for half an hour, get some damn nice chicken. So that's how I do it. 170 degrees Celsius, cover it up for half an hour. Okay. So the first check I'm doing now, that's like 15 minutes. Yeah. Then I'm gonna just check it, looking nice and thing. Then I'm gonna put it back there again, cover the lid, leave it for the next 15 minutes, and then you know what I mean. Perfect, nice chicken. Yeah. So yeah, that's the finished product. Right, and that's 30 minutes. That's how I like my chicken. Well, nice. See the nice color now. Yeah, that's where the tandoori give it a nice color, plus give it a nice flavor. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe. So like and subscribe. All right.